Good morning all, I'm Nandhini. I'm working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to see a topic in IoT, Internet of Things, on what is the definition of IoT and what is the IoT frameworks. In this, Internet of Things is a 21st century phenomenon which we can use as a meta products which is connected to the web and start communication with each other by means of sensor and actuators. The term IoT stands for Internet of Things, which is used for a larger number of devices benefited from communication services. This uses Internet protocols. The M2M, mission to mission term, is used to refer to the mission to mission communication, that is automated data exchange between machines. The vision of the Internet of Things is to attach tiny devices to every single object to make it identified by its own unique IP addresses. So these addresses can be automatically communicated with one another. Next is technical challenges in IoT. The success of Internet of Things can be overcoming the following technical challenges. The current manner of using IP addresses must change to a system that provides an IP addresses to possible object that may need one in the future. Second was the power behind the embedded chips on such devices will need to be smaller and more efficient. The software applications must be developed that can communicate with and manage the stream of data which is used to interconnect non-communication devices that compromises a smart system which can adopt and responsible to those changes. And the working definitions of this may be explained broadly that computing or communication applications that are deployed over a local, metropolitan, regional, national, global, geographical, which is consisting of how the objects have been embedded one or two way communications and some communicating capabilities where objects are reachable over a variety of wireless or wired local area networks with an WAN, MAN, LAN, etc., whose inbounded data and outbounded components of pipes have been issued by an application system with a high degree of intelligence. For example, things, sensors, actuators, tag objects, etc. Sensors are an activity device that measures some variables of the nature or man-made environment. For example, building an assembly line and industrial assembly support a process. Actuator is a measurement of a device which is naturally or man-made environment. An assembly line and industrial assembly support or a process. Actuator is a mechanism device of various sizes which is being used that consist of specific physical actions, for example controlling a mechanism or system, opening a closer valve. These technical challenges faces that an IP address has a system that provides an possible need of future, and it consists of smaller and efficient powers within chip of embedded chips. Software applications must be developed that can communicate with the stream of data, interconnecting non-communication devices with a smart system which are adapted and responsible to changes. In this definition, we use a machine-to-machine mechanism and IoT devices so that we can easily get the framework. In this machine-to-machine devices, the automated devices can be easily used, and exchange of machines and the data from one machine to the another machines. These are can be easily used anywhere. The vision of this IoT is to achieve the tiny devices to every single object so that the unique IP addresses can be automatically communicated with the other IP addresses. In this, the software developed that communicate with the managed stream of data. There are many streams of data which is used to manage this, and the hundreds of interconnected non-computing devices. That means computing devices gets connected with each other, but this non-computing devices must have not connected with any other. So the smart systems has an adopted reason to changes. In this working definition, main things are a sensor and an actuators, tags and objects. In it, the sensor gets an measurable value of the nature to which a mankind of an environment, because these buildings, industries which are getting processed, etc., everything has an little bit of sensors to sense the objects and to deliver the message to it. The actuators have been variable size that has an accomplishing specific physical actions. For example, which is used to control the mechanism of system that is opening in a closer or a interval. This geographical systems and regional systems and metropolitan systems or local systems and national systems. Each and every system consists of an application that is computing with one another. So this might have an value for the IoT definitions. Thank you so much.